Hey everybody, Weston from Swift, and today we're going to talk about the Olliepack Seat Bag. The Olliepack is a 6-liter seat bag that features a roll top closure. The roll top cinches down tight with the adjustable buckle straps on the side, and features alternating buckles so you can attach it to itself, which gives some room for expandability. We intentionally designed this bag to keep everything up close on the saddle and tight to minimize any sway or wag. This includes side buckle straps with feeder tabs to make routing up and over the saddle rails as easy as possible, a rear compression strap that you can pull tight to keep the weight closest to the rider, and a rubberized patch and strap where the bag contacts the seat post to keep things nice and quiet and stable. A power mesh pocket on the bottom of the bag is perfect for stashing a tube, some snacks, or a pair of gloves. Other features that we've added to the Olliepack are reflective hits on the rear of the bag, as well as the side straps, a light loop, and ballistic nylon reinforcement patches where the bag contacts the saddle. With its slim design for minimal interference under the saddle, the Olliepack is a perfect addition to your touring, bikepacking, or mountain bike setup.